Hello friends, I am going to explain about PPT and animation. So first of all, open PPT, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Then you can see here layout. So in this, whichever layout you can select. Suppose if you want a plain, you are going to add some pictures, see blank. So it's blank. So anyway you select as blank, then it will be easy, whatever also we can add it. After layout, go to design. So which design you want you can select. Suppose blue color or whichever color you can select and see. Here still there will be many designs. So suppose I have selected this. Even background style also there. If you want, however, it is light color. White color means it will be clear actually if you are using for a teaching. Next thing, select some picture. You want to add some picture. Then insert. Suppose if you want to add picture and you have to select from your folder from your laptop, or if you want to select from some other thing, insert picture, wherever the picture you can select. You want to select from this, insert shapes, click on shapes. So I am taking some smiley. Here smiley is there, so smiley. So if you want you can change color, double click on this, yellow color I want to change. Okay, next one more shape, then I will go for animation. Next I am selecting even heart also. So I am going to change the color, even outline you can change, shape you can change. Okay, so now how to give animation, that is main topic. So first of all, whichever picture you want this smiley to move, click on this smiley. So when you move, click here, you can see animations. Click animation, then again click custom animation. So once you click custom, here add effect. This is entrance, how this smiley should come, fly in or diamond or crawl in or checkerboard. Suppose I am giving fly in, so you can see the preview. So like this it will come. So how it should come means on click from bottom, very fast or very slow you can select. Now again for this also I want to give add effect, entrance. Suppose you don't want that effect, you want to change the effect, spin. See, it will spin also. No, I don't want this effect, then select that and remove. That also you can do. So click on the picture and entrance. So peek in I am giving. So like this. Here you can see the preview also, play. So it will come. Now if you want to see the slideshow, click a slideshow, or you can click F5. So now if you click, see, you can see the animation. So like this you can do animations. This is just one sample. There are so many effects, you can do it. Then you have to save it. But this animation will play when you are showing a slideshow only. Slideshow from beginning. Then you click, then it will come this picture. So using this you can add some stickers or whatever picture you can add, and you can show in slides show.